Hello everyone. So I'm inside Dollar Tree. I'm actually here to pick up some New Year's Eve items just for the last minute decor. And I see that they have all these Christmas items still on clearance. This store has not transferred over to Valentine's Day, just like a couple other ones that I have visited. Oh, I'm going to grab this and see if they'll sell it to me. So I was waiting for after Christmas to ask them. I want the clear box. So yeah, I've been to another Dollar Tree and they have all their Valentine's Day decor up. This is cute. You could put it around a gift box and add it as, I don't know, maybe not. Just because it's on sale doesn't mean I need it, right? These are actually really nice for making pillows if you sew or even use a no-sew iron-on. It's like a special glue. You can make really nice pillows with it. These are always nice too. You can use them for gift bags and also for wine, of course. I was hoping it was more matted without the holographic print. I'll come back right after New Year's, and then they'll probably have all this stuff set up for Valentine's. I'm also going to grab this because I did a few weeks back, and I really think it's cute. So Hallmark cards I don't typically see go on markdown, but these, I guess because they're made by the Viola Dollar Tree line, they do go on markdown. And these are wonderful if you're into paper crafts because you can take these apart, use the embellishments, take off the 3D pieces, and repurpose them. And you can even use the full card and cut it up. In previous years, these couldn't be kept on the shelf, and here they are on markdown, along with the stockings. Lots of holly printed dishware, the plaid dishware as well. And some more glass. So I found some Hallmark cards. They're the Valentine's Day ones. I guess these have been put out already. It's always nice to see when they have their new selection of cards because as the weeks go by, things do tend to sell. I have been spending a little more time in the baby aisle just because there are new babies that have joined the family. So I tend to come and look and I'm like, oh, is there a new bag? Is there something here? And they do have some cute things sometimes. I feel like this is a new line. Some of them I think we've seen over the last couple years. So Dollar Tree keeps coming out with new marbles, and don't ask me, but I keep looking at them. So this color is new, and super cute little clear ones in here as well. I've spotted gold and silver. what are some ideas for the use of the marbles? I've done a really nice bird bath in the past with it, but I wonder if anyone else has done something with these. See, these are the silver ones, and they even have gold. Every once in a while, Dollar Tree also has some really nice picture frames, really large ones if you're doing a collage of photos or even gifting a nice picture. These are new to me. I've never seen this before. Bless, and so are these. Look at this, it has foiling on it. Oh, maybe I've seen the back side, but I've never noticed this side here. But these are new. See the little house? Bless our house. These have been out for a little while. Relax. This one would be cute in a cottage, or if you have decor, like a nautical themed decor. I just think that it would tie nicely together. These are metal. This is a little cork stop with lights attached to it. You know what? It's so much pricier everywhere else, so I'm just going to grab a pack because it's always nice. Twinkle lights are always cozy no matter what time of year, I think, even for outdoors in the summertime. So this one's really quite large. I'm not sure if you can see the size difference, but they have small ones, medium, and large. I was just at Marshall's and they had some tin puzzles. These puzzles were in tins and they look so similar to these, but they had teacups. And I'm like, I swear I saw the teacup print here at Dollar Tree. And of course, now that you're looking for it, you can't find it, right? Cute selection of wood. This has MDF on the back. This one's solid wood on both sides. These are new. Oh, I haven't seen these. The ones I used to see were always beveled on the sides. I love that this one's flat. See? Even this one is flat. They used to have them where they were, beveled. All right, I think I'm going to go down the craft aisle. So this craft aisle is really nice, and they even have a good selection of books. Typically they do. Books, kids' books, coloring books, but even just regular novels. They usually are pretty good here. Does your Dollar Tree have a good selection of books? Not all Dollar Trees are the same. That's the one thing I do notice. Oh, wow, extreme dot to dot. This looks nice. The pages are a little bit thin for my liking. I usually like them a little thicker. You see this amazing assortment here of coloring books, and so neatly organized. That's the one thing. What is this one? Oh, it's quite thin, the pages as well. I thought it was a thicker book. This is cute for a nursery. You can even put the ultrasound picture in it. It's so cute. And you can paint it with some milk paint, which is super kid-friendly, safe paint. Non-toxic paint. Dollar Tree is really quiet here today. Everyone's getting busy for their festivities. And I have the whole store basically to myself, which is great with me. If I had purchased this ahead of time, I could have done like a little New Year's sign for it. This piece actually is really nice and long if you're needing long wood. Modeling clay. This is cute for Valentine's Day decor. I don't think I've seen these little wood cutouts before, so this must be something new. I always like to spot new things because then it kind of gives me an idea on what to keep an eye out for. I was wondering if I should get one of these and then decorate it cute for Valentine's Day and add it to like a bouquet of flowers or something like that, or even a plant, but maybe it's too bulky for a plant. See, isn't this new? Like normally we see these things here, all the micro beads and the glitter. These would be cute to do the layered pen beads. Has anyone tried the cutting dies and do they work well? Okay, these are gorgeous. I haven't seen, especially this pink is so pretty. So this is great for making pokey beads or the layered pen beads. I have so many beads at home. I really should get using them, but those were really pretty. What else do they have here? Do the paint markers actually work? I always see them randomly hanging on the shelves. Check these out. So I was just asking if the silver ones could be painted because they have plain silver ones. I love these. Wow, so nice. And here they have done it already for us. So Dollar Tree just keeps doing all the things. They have stamps here with the sentiments. Lots and lots of stickers. So many stickers. This Dollar Tree is so well stocked, but they also keep everything together. Some Dollar Trees separate them. These also have nice sentiments on them. These are new. Oh, so these stickers here are the silver ones I was asking. Oh, can we paint them? And here they are, already done for us. So no need. Oh, I thought that this was a dual pack, but these are cute. I got like a little bit of a spring, I know they're Mother's Day stuff, but spring vibe. So a quick overlook here on the stickers, and then I really have to go check to see if there's any New Year's supplies. There's just one little end cap and not very much left to choose from. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today, and until next time everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
And you ever wonder if days like these last with one another, with the feeling pass? Would you find out with me if it all starts to crumble? We'll search the pieces